I saw you. They were pushing you all over the place.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
You just opened your campaign office in Gombe and there's such a massive crowd following you. What does this mean for the chances of the PDP?
In fact, the opening is a side issue. We are coming back again for the real opening of the campaign office.
How do you feel seeing this crowd?
Elated, very, very elated, very, very. I wish I can help everybody I have seen.
Okay, so
Your Excellency, are you surprised with the large number of turnout that welcomed you? When you came for the presidential consultation, it was even much, bigger.
I am not. Gombe State has always been a very strong support base for me. So no, there was no surprise.
all right, so you just inaugurated the PCC the other day and you had such a large following and here you're also having it. What is this exactly, especially the PCC?
Well, what it means is that PDP is a very popular party. It's the oldest party in Nigeria. We might have made mistakes in the past and we have realized we made mistakes and we are ready to correct those mistakes. And we believe Nigerians will trust us because they have seen our performance before and they can compare our performance and the performance of our opponents. So I think that's what we...
Next question, sir. You're making a lot of efforts at unifying the country, unifying the party. You have been called Mr. Unifier by most of the people here. I mean, what more efforts are you making to ensure that the party is held together?
I am still talking to agreed members of the party. And I believe at the end of the day, we are going to get united.